Getting ready for a teaching demo.
Many employers nowadays ask potential candidates to send a teaching demo before the interview, or to teach a demo class, virtual or face-to-face, as part of the interviewing process. Some employers will send you a specific lesson to teach and will tell you what age group and proficiency level you should be targeting. Others will ask you to choose a lesson and present it in 15 to 20 minutes. Here are the steps you should follow to prepare for a teaching demo. Research the topic that you have been given or the topic that you have selected for your teaching demo. For instance, if you are asked to teach the active and passive voice, make sure that you understand everything about those grammatical structures, as you may be asked further questions to check your language awareness. You should also check the CEFR, Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. To know exactly what needs to be presented and the kind of language and activities you should be using to match the student's proficiency level. It's time now to start planning the lesson. Firstly, think about the timing allotted for the teaching demo. Decide which lesson structure you would like to use, for example, presentation, practice, production, or test, teach, test. Make sure that you have time for the 3 stages. Write a complete lesson plan including the basic information about the lesson, learning aims and objectives, stage aims, procedures, timings, etc. This will be submitted to your interviewer to showcase your lesson planning skills. For your lesson to be interactive and engaging, you should plan controlled and freer practice. You should submit the worksheets or handouts that you would prepare to the interviewer along with the lesson plan. You should also create a visually appealing presentation using PowerPoint or any other program. This will demonstrate your technical skills and mastery of educational technology. Finally, you need to practice the entire lesson and make sure that you can deliver the entire lesson within the duration of the demo. You can have your demo recorded to check your body language and tone of voice. Following those steps will help you present the demo lesson successfully and impress your interviewers. On behalf of TEFL Wonderland team, I wish you the best of luck in every step ahead.